welcome to another video. If you don't know, my name is Lainey and I post Lolita and cosplay videos, and today we are going to be doing a review. As some transparency, I do want to say that I was not paid for this video, but I was sent some free products to review for this video, and these products are from CossWigs. So CossWigs first reached out to me via Instagram on January 20th, asked me if I would be interested in a review. I said sure, why not, and they're like, sweet, pick out 2 wigs, we'll send you both wigs and also some cosplay accessories. And then I got sent a bunch of really cute like ears and tails, and you know I like my cat ears. So, but I actually don't think there's any cosplay props in this package because it's too small. So I think they forgot about that, which makes me a little sad that I was forgotten, but it's okay. From that January 20th mark, we started corresponding via email, and then my packages did get sent out on the 26th, so 6 days later after our first correspondence, and then they arrived on the 8th, which is today. I do want to say though that I did run into a problem with shipping. I gave them my mailbox number because I live in a dorm, and they said that they can't use the apartment line of your address. So if you live in an apartment and you have a suite number, an apartment number, a mailbox number, they said that they're not able to put that in. So that was really confusing because I'm sure a lot of cosplayers, especially in my age range, are in college or in apartments. So I am a little bit wary about that, just to be clear, but we did get it sorted out. I don't know why, but they put my mailbox number on the same line as the street address. I don't understand why they wouldn't just put it on the line that it goes on, but it's okay. It's a minor detail. We got it worked out. So without further ado, let's open this. It's really weird because it's like square shape and they're wigs. So I was not expecting that. I was expecting them to be, you know, flat. But let's go. Wow. Okay, the artwork on the boxes is absolutely beautiful. It's basically like watercolor flowers. It's very, very, very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. It says inspire your beauty, and then it just has the company name and a little logo. So I did order 2 wigs, both of which are lace fronts, and they were priced at $49, which is actually on the cheaper side for lace fronts. So let's open it. What is this? No, he's so cute. Oh my god, there's a little bunny rabbit. Look, it's a little bunny rabbit I came with. I am like extremely obsessed with bunny rabbits. Like, they're one of my favorite animals, and his little scarf is removable. Oh my god, he is so cute. Ugh, he smells like plastic though. I was wondering if it was a scented one. Look at him! He's so soft and like just metallic silver. I love him. I want to name him. I want to give him a name. Anyways, so in the box we have our wig. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. We have a tag that has the return policy and then just their contact information. We have clamps. Wow, styling clamps. These are insane looking, but wow, there's 2 of those in there. And then we also have some lace front wig caps. You always want to use these smooth ones instead of like the gridded wig caps when you're doing lace fronts, because it just makes it look smoother and just gives it a nicer texture, makes it look a little bit more realistic. So let's actually open this wig. I'm now really excited after seeing my little bunny rabbit friend. He's so cute. I always see this wig on websites, like wigs that are black to silver gradients, and I've always wanted to try them. So I figured, you know what? Today will be the day. It's in a long plastic bag with silver netting. I've actually never seen silver netting for wigs before, which is really interesting. Oh, it's white. I'm sorry, it's white netting. She is a little bit tangled coming out, but my fingers are untangling it really easily. It's not super silky. It's not as silky as some of the other lace fronts I own, but it is not bad. Just a little bit loose hairs. Let's take some of the paper out. There's barely any lace on this at all. That's really interesting, actually. There's only lace at the very, very top, and the inside of the wig cap itself looks really bizarre. It does have like the same type of netting that most lace front wigs have, but the top of it looks really interesting. I haven't seen a lace front like that before. Then we have the little side clip so it stays in your wig cap, and it is adjustable for different head sizes. And then we will flip it inside out. It has a very natural part on the top of it. It does look really thick, which is awesome. I don't really see the netting when I kind of run my fingers through it, see how the wefts are, how heavy they are. So overall, it does look really nice. Awesome. This is really beautiful. Let's open our other one. I'm gonna lay this over here. I have such limited space right now. There's so many lights. This is our second box, the same art. And I am very excited for this wig, but also really terrified. You'll see why in a moment. Okay, so this one is a reddish color, which is a wig color I try to stay as far away from as humanly possible because I don't like being called Felicia Day at all, and it's always prevented me from wearing anything this color on my head, but it was just so beautiful. I just really wanted to try it. Oh my god, wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god, look at this. It came with free eyelashes and this like really cool container. Wait, this is so cool. It looks like a little compact mirror. How does this open? Am I able to open it? Oh, so you push down. These come out. This was not glued down very well. The shiny thing just popped right out. I don't know if I was supposed to take this plastic thing out or not, but it did come with fake eyelashes. That is so cool. I'm definitely keeping this because I suck at storing my falsies, and it's really pretty. It's like a bronze color and reflective, and I kind of love it. And then we also have another freebie, which is a two-sided brush. It looks a lot like an eyebrow brush, and I'm wondering if it's to separate out where the part is and get those little baby hairs. And then I never know what this side is for. It just looks like a toothbrush for me. So let me know when you're doing wigs, what is this side for? But let's go ahead and look at this beauty right here. Wow, this red matches like perfectly with some of the accent colors in this dress. Wow. White netting once again. Try to carefully unwrap. Oh no! Why are you stuck? Why are you stuck? Oh, this looks really red on camera. Which I guess it is. I think it looks redder on camera than it is in real life. I don't want to tangle you. I'm taking out the paper right now. Wow, this one is, wait. Why is this one so much softer? This one has a really weird pattern though, reflecting off the light. It looks like someone tried to flatten it with a straight iron, and it left a little bit of a weird texture. But it seems very thick. It's really soft. It's not like synthetic soft, like it feels like human hair, which I know I chose synthetic wigs because human hair ones freak me out, but the part on the top looks a lot different than the other one. This one looks a bit more synthetic, and this again only has a little snippet of lace, which is really interesting. And then flipping it inside out, it looks about the same. We got our little combs and our little adjustable straps. So this one is a lot thinner. When I kind of separate the hairs to see how it's gonna fall on my head, there are spots where I can see kind of the wig netting underneath. But overall, it seems decently thick. So hopefully it'll spread out evenly, but we will see. This is really soft. This is like unlike any wig texture I have ever felt. So let's go try these bad boys on. What do you say? Let's go. Hello, I am fairly upset right now because I tried on both wigs, filmed myself putting them on, and then my camera decided to not be in focus for the entire thing, even though I did not mess with the manual focus settings. So we're trying this again with autofocus. Hopefully it works. So here is one of the wigs. This is the ginger wig that I have on. Again, the texture is so interesting on this. So far it hasn't been like tangling at all. I've had a little bit of trouble with the netting. I don't want to cut off the netting, not because I'm lazy, which I am, but because I need to get close-up shots of it and I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. But once I cut off the lace, I think it's going to lay a lot smoother. I do think that the parting on this is a little bit less realistic than the other wig, but I think overall this is a gorgeous color. I feel like I should be cosplaying from Game of Thrones right now with this bright red hair. It's so thick too, like it's so soft. From the way that the wefts are sewn in, I wasn't expecting it to be this thick, but it is. It's just really lovely. I actually quite like this. Let's try to put on the other wig right now. The other one, I had a much easier time putting it on when I did this for the first time. Really annoyed right now. That was, what, like 8 minutes that I wasted. So with this one, I actually like this. I was expecting to like the red one the most, but I actually liked this one the most when I put it on. Let's see if I can get it. I think I did. Whenever I put these on, I always keep 2 little pieces out in front, and then I take it and I tuck it behind my ears. When you do that, I just think it makes it look more realistic, and it makes the wig just kind of fall into place a little bit better. And this is what the gradient looks like on me. Okay, actually this looks fine. I'm shocked. Where did I just put my headpiece? I have so much stuff right here right now. This is what this piece looks on me with this cord. I did not get this wig with the intention of wearing it with this cord like I did the ginger one, but I still really like this one. I'm gonna be using it for a lot of alternative looks. If you know anyone I can cosplay with this really cool wig, let me know. And anyways, this brings us to the most important part. Would I recommend this company? I actually think that $49 is a decent price point. It's a competitive price point for lace front wigs like this. It's actually a little bit cheaper than other lace front wigs that I've seen, even though these are just partial lace right at the top of it. And overall, I do think they're really nice. The packaging on this was beautiful. The fact that they threw in so many little freebies, like so many cool freebies, just made the experience really cool and really fun to open. And it's just like, it's one of those things where if they throw in cute freebies that people actually use and actually like, you know they're a good company. Like this guy is going on my bag. I'm using these. I'm keeping the case to store my false eyelashes. And overall, and I'm saying this from perspective of a customer, even though I've sent these from free, from the perspective of an unbiased person who's unboxing and looking at these, I would buy from them again, just because I thought the packaging was so thoughtful, and I really just think that these wigs are just a decent price point for what you get. They're really smooth too, and I think they just look very cute overall. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed watching me put these on, I guess. Yeah, if you know what characters I can cosplay with these guys, let me know. Or if you think there's a cord in particular that I own that would look really cute with either of these wigs, let me know. And that is all for us today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Lainey. I post on Fridays, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, please. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, have a very happy Valentine's Day. This is going to be posted like 2 days before Valentine's Day, so I hope you all enjoy it, you have fun with your loved ones, and if you are single this Valentine's Day, please remember that you are still valid and you are still loved. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Goodbye!